Your muscles are shrinking right now, and you may not even feel it yet. Not because you stopped exercising, not because you're eating badly, but because your body is running low on one specific vitamin, and without it, your muscle cells literally stop repairing themselves. Here's what makes this serious. A 2023 study from Harvard T.H. School of Public Health tracked over 25,000 adults and found that seniors with low levels of this vitamin lost muscle mass nearly twice as fast as those with sufficient levels. Twice as fast. That vitamin is vitamin D. And today, I'm going to show you exactly what it's doing inside your body and what you can do about it. Now, after the age of 60, the body enters a phase called sarcopenia. It's the gradual but accelerating loss of muscle mass and strength. And it's not rare. The World Health Organization estimates that sarcopenia affects up to 1 in 3 adults over the age of 60 globally. Here's the cause and effect that most people miss. As muscle breaks down faster than your body can rebuild it, your legs get weaker, your grip loosens, your balance becomes unreliable. And over time, the things you used to do without thinking, climbing stairs, carrying groceries, getting up from a chair, start to feel like real effort. Most seniors are told, "This is just aging." But that's not the full picture, because a significant part of this process is being made worse by something completely fixable. Here's something most people don't know. Every muscle cell in your body has vitamin D receptors. Think of them as tiny doors. When vitamin D enters through those doors, it activates genes responsible for muscle repair, muscle protein production, and the regulation of calcium inside muscle fibers, which is what allows your muscles to contract properly. Now, when vitamin D levels are low, those doors stay closed. Muscle repair slows, inflammation increases, and your muscles weaken at an accelerated rate. A 2022 review published by the National Institutes of Health analyzed over 30 clinical trials and concluded that vitamin D supplementation significantly improved muscle strength and physical performance in older adults who were deficient. This isn't a fringe idea. This is peer-reviewed research from one of the world's most respected medical institutions. And the mechanism is clear. No vitamin D, no signal to your muscle cells to repair and grow. You may notice some of these signs. A deep tiredness that sleep doesn't fix. Muscle aches that seem to have no clear cause. Legs that feel heavy or unreliable. A feeling of general weakness, especially in your lower body. According to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, approximately 35% of adults, over 60 in the United States, have insufficient vitamin D levels. And because the symptoms are gradual, most people don't connect the dots. They assume it's just age. They carry on. And the deficiency quietly continues. The most reliable way to know where you stand is a simple blood test called a 25-hydroxyvitamin D test. Ask your doctor for it by name. It's one of the most straightforward and informative tests available. Now let's talk about what you can actually do. First, sunlight. Your skin produces vitamin D naturally when exposed to UVB rays. 15 to 20 minutes of morning sunlight on your arms and legs a few times per week is genuinely helpful. But here's the reality. As we age, skin becomes far less efficient at this process. So sunlight alone is rarely enough. Second, food. Fatty fish, salmon, mackerel, sardines, egg yolks, and fortified dairy products all contain meaningful amounts of vitamin D. Include them regularly. But again, food sources alone typically won't bring deficient levels back to optimal range. Third, supplementation. This is where research is most consistent. The Endocrine Society recommends that adults over 60 consider daily vitamin D3 supplementation, typically between 1,500 and 2,000 IU per day. Your doctor may recommend more based on your test results. One important note: always pair vitamin D3 with vitamin K2. K2 ensures that the calcium activated by vitamin D goes to your bones, not your arteries. That combination is both safer and significantly more effective. So here's what we know. Muscle loss after 60 is real, but a significant part of it is being accelerated by a vitamin D deficiency that is common, silent, and correctable. Your muscle cells need this vitamin to repair themselves. Without it, they can't do their job. With it, research shows real, measurable improvements in strength, balance, and physical function, even in older adults. The steps are simple. Get your 25-hydroxyvitamin D levels tested. Spend time in morning sunlight. Eat vitamin D-rich foods. And speak with your doctor about vitamin D3 supplementation. Now, I want to hear from you. Have you ever had your vitamin D levels checked? Did your doctor bring it up? Or did you have to ask? Leave your answer in the comments below. Your experience might be exactly what someone else needs to read today. If this video gave you something useful, please share it with a family member or friend. It could genuinely help them. Thank you for watching. Take care of your body. It's working hard for you.